Hey, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to get the best possible price on hosting a self-hosted N8N, and there's a right way and a wrong way to do this. Most people search for a coupon code and end up with just 10% off, but if you use my referral link which I've dropped in the description and pinned comment sorted by country so you land on your local currency, you automatically unlock 20% off plus a free .com domain. No code to type, no extra steps, it just applies at checkout. Click the link, land on the Hostinger site and head to the services menu in the navbar. Scroll down and you will find self-hosted N8N. That's our destination today. Hostinger offers 4 N8N plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I'm picking KVM2 for this walkthrough. Solid specs for most automation workflows. Go ahead and add it to your cart. One tip I always give: register with a fresh email address. Referral discounts tied to new accounts, so a new email keeps that 20% active. Head to check out your discount and free domain should already be sitting there. That's it. No hunting for codes, no copy pasting. Just a better deal automatically. If this saved you money, hit like and subscribe. More hosting deals and N8N tutorials coming your way.